In this video, we'll show you how to cut a key with Condor XC Twins. Step 1. Clamping the key. Before we start, first determine whether the key is aligned by the tip or shoulder. For tip-aligned keys, align the key freely with any reference line on the clamp surface according to its length, as long as learning and cutting are not affected. For shoulder-aligned keys, with the M5L clamp side, insert the shoulder positioning block into the slot. Push the key shoulder against it. Fix the key. Then remove the block. With the M5L clamp side B, place the key shoulder directly against the shoulder alignment line. For learning and cutting the side of the key, clamp the key upright on M5L clamp side B only. For tip-aligned keys, align freely with any reference line based on the key's length. For shoulder-aligned keys, press the key shoulder tightly against the outer edge of the clamp. The key we use in this video is tip-aligned. Step 2. Optical recognition. Once the key is clamped, lower the protective cover and start the optical recognition. For most keys, select the regular key recognition option. Only special keys need other options. First, take photos to recognize the key. Once the key type is automatically identified and confirmed, click on Continue to start learning. Learning complete. Ready to cut. For a detailed demonstration of the optical recognition process, please refer to the previous video. Step 3. Cutting the key. Now, let's cut the key. Open the cover, remove the original key, place the key blank, and choose the appropriate milling cutter. Then close the cover. Click on Start Cutting. The machine begins automatic cutting based on the learned data. Once one side is finished, clean off the key shavings, flip the key blank, and continue cutting the other side. After cutting is complete, test the key in the lock. It turns smoothly, key cutting successful. That's the full key cutting process with Condor XC Twins. Leave a comment if you have questions, and stay tuned for more tutorials on special key types. See you in the next video.